Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do Roll the Ball Devlog 2. And if you don't know what Roll the Ball is, I would recommend checking it out in the top right corner of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. In the previous episode, we have made a sphere, level, power, and much more. Well, in this episode, I will finish the game and release it so you all can play it. Firstly, I create two more difficulties which are hard and normal, so you guys can enjoy the game more. Secondly, I want to create a main menu so you guys can interact and change the map with it. To do this, I just put buttons and text in, and here's the preview of it. It looks a bit colorless, so I add some gradient, image, and color, and here's the final result. Then I start making the change level system, and it's working very well now. I have fixed it now and it's working perfectly. I also add a past level screen which will have two options for you to return to the main menu or continue to the next level. Let's test it. And why can't I click the button? Why? I added the missing part, and here we go. For the final touch, I create a light map for the game. And if you don't know what light map is or want to know more about light map, you can check the link down in the description down below. The link for downloading the game should be in the description down below. Now, time for some gameplay. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will probably make some videos about how I do some of the stuff in this game, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.